subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Oppo Reno 6 and Reno 6 Pro back in May last year, the company has now launched another smartphone under the same lineup in Mexico called Oppo Reno 6 Lite. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo Reno 6 Lite supports a 6.43-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate, and it has a tall 90.8% screen-to-body ratio. The phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset, paired with Adreno 610 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to 5GB by using internal storage, and it has 128GB of onboard storage, which is also expandable up to 256GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oppo Reno 6 Lite features a vertically aligned triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 48MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 2MP macro lens and 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with 78° field of view support. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.1 skin on top, and it is backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.3 by 73.8 by 7.95mm, and it weighs around 175 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo Reno 6 Lite has been priced in Mexico at 8,799 Mexican pesos, and it is now available for purchase in the country in black and rainbow silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Oppo Reno 6 Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.